Today I'm going to teach you one of my new favorite cookies, Gooey Butter Cookies. I love them. They're perfect for the holidays, and I'm going to teach you how simple these are to make. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. Ciao my friends, my name's Lucia. Welcome to my channel. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking, and if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the notification bell so you get easy recipes from me every single week. And today, I love these cookies, and they're gonna be your new favorite also. So let me show you how to put these together. So we're gonna start by creaming our butter and sugar. I'm using a stand mixer, but you can definitely do this with a handheld mixer as well. 1 stick of butter, 1.5 cups of sugar. To that I'm gonna add salt, vanilla extract, and some cream cheese. Add our eggs. Want to add some baking powder and 2.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna slowly add it so flour doesn't go everywhere. And we just want to mix it until all the flour comes together. So now that we're ready to roll our cookies, we want to make sure our oven is preheated at 350 degrees. We have some powdered sugar, and I have a scoop, and it's a number 50 scoop, so it's about 2 tablespoons. And we just want to get dough and then just drop it into our powdered sugar, and then just kind of roll it around in the powdered sugar, and just roll it like this and place it on your cookie sheet. And we just want to continue until we get all of our cookies rolled out. All right, so I have my first tray done. I'm gonna put them in the oven. They should take about 12-15 minutes till they're nice and golden brown on the bottom. I'll show you how the tops look, and I will show you how ooey gooey inside they are. They are super delicious. So I'll put this in the oven, and I will continue with the rest. Our gooey butter cookies are done. They took about 12 minutes, and you can see how beautiful they look, how the cookie just kind of crackled with that powdered sugar. Let's go and eat one, and you can see they're super moist inside. Perfect. All right, wow, that's a great way to end a day. So, as usual, the recipe is listed below, and until I see you next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.
Taking the words out of your mouth.
They're so rich and so good.